Hey guys, it's Katelyn, and this week's truth on Truth Plus Dare is, who's the most attractive person you know? I really don't understand this truth, so I'm just going to say everyone. Alright, and this week's dare on Truth Plus Dare is to make a sign that says honk if blank blank blank. You fill out the rest and try to get as many people to honk as you can. So what I wrote on my sign is honk if you heart the Raven Nation. The Raven Nation is my school. I've been going to school every day for a little bit of July and all of August because I'm in band camp. So I didn't really have time to film this video anywhere else other than the school. I don't have time to go anywhere because I stay after till like 7. You think that it's cheating. It was probably more embarrassing doing this at school because some of these people know who I am. This kind of gave me more embarrassment. Anyway, let's roll the clip. Embarrassing! I don't know you! Only this group of people are staring at me! This is so stupid!
We can stop anytime!
Oh, again? Oh. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like this video and comment down below who's the most attractive person you know. Make sure you subscribe to Truth Plus Dare and to my main channel, 12Katelyn1. And you can follow me on Instagram at 12Katelyn1 as well. I'll see you guys next Saturday. Bye! Truth Plus Dare. Truth Plus Dare.